Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how you can get a merchant ID or rather a user ID from your PayPal account. At the end of the day, we should be able to obtain this merchant ID, and the merchant ID is very useful in places where you want to receive payment without errors. Sometimes the email might fail, but with the use of the merchant ID, you can be able to receive or make payments. To begin, make sure first you log in into your PayPal account as I have done here. Now go to the settings gear on top right of your account and click on it. Wait for it to open. And as you can see here, we have the merchant ID right here. So this is the merchant ID. Simply copy and paste wherever you wish. The merchant ID usually has 13 characters and you should be able to follow these steps and find it. The same process applies to when you are using mobile app. You can easily find your merchant ID or your user ID by going to settings. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now.